The best way to increase ROI for your product launches is to get feedback early with testing from user testing. Let's say you start off in Figma with the prototype for your new shopping experience. You take the link for that prototype, you bring it over to user testing, and you go to the template library. You're going to pick a template in the quick answers like validate a prototype. We use the template, fill out a few basic pieces of information, including that link and what we're trying to learn or what we want people to do in our prototype, and we launch the test. You're just going to have to wait a few hours or perhaps even minutes to get the rich feedback you need to increase that ROI. In the results, you can see some great emotional feedback, AI summaries about how people felt using that prototype, letting you know if there are changes that need to be made to increase that return on investment and improve the quality of the product. Moving down to the actual experience that people had, we can see here, how did they feel as they were moving through that prototype? Was there a page they got stuck on, like here, the product details page? Was there any friction in the experience? We can see that here. What was it like for individuals to move through the prototype? All the clicks, all the interactions are all here. That's all there is to it. Test early, iterate over your designs with feedback from user testing, and increase the ROI of your product launches.